Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonali. Okay, so all set. So my name is Sonali. So in this particular video, we'll see how to sort our information and how to limited our information. From my past video, I share the information about how to get data from the database or by using select query. Now, what's happened? We get all the data from our database by using select query. So here we need to limited some data, but maximum case in our requirement, it's not required all the data to what we are selecting by using our select statement. So suppose in my table have multiple data like lakhs and lakhs data, but I means for my requirement, I think I need some less amount of data, that is some basically some condition like suppose my manager told me or my requirement is I need data. Those joining is after 23, means those employees information I need, those are joined after 23. So here I did from the employee table I get all the data, but it's not my requirement. My requirement is those are joined after 23, means here my requirement is sorted. So how to do that sort, that we'll see in this video. So from the last video, we know how to select data, and obviously everyone got idea about that select statement. Now from here, how to put that restriction. So we sorted or we limited our data by using 3 steps. Step 1, where clause. By putting where clause, we can limit our data. Second one, by using conditional operator. Conditional operator in the sense those are less than, greater than, equal to. Okay, these are the conditional operators. Second, third one, we by using logical operator, and or not. These 3 steps as required to sort our data. So first we'll see how to sort data by using where clause. So here is my demo table. That table I created to show you the practical information, okay, about everything. So here is the demo table. So here I did select star from demo, means I just selected all the data present in my demo table. But now someone told me, still give me those information, those are present in Bangalore location, okay, those are present in Bangalore location. So here I need to sort the data. How? We will put where city equal Bangalore, okay, where city equal Bangalore. No data found because we are did mistake here, case sensitive, okay. Bangalore, city is Bangalore, like B caps. You can't use here in SQL statement with your data, you can't use like it's not case sensitive. So you need to give the attention to that particular upper letter case and lower case letter, okay. Fine, now we got the record. Those are, means here my data is sorted, my data only 2. That time when I select, it's get all this, but where I know that I need those cities are means those are present in Bangalore location, so that information I need. So like that, where clause you can put anywhere and you can sort your data. So this is the one example. Secondly, you can use like someone tell like first name should be Raj or Raju or anything, like your database contain multiple data, those are first names are Raju or Raj, that information you can put where clause and you can get it, okay. So this is the where clause. So here I putted city, like this is a string, okay. Now I so this is the string. If this is not the string, if numeric, suppose I need the information whose ID is 4. So how I'll use that? ID equal 4. So I need that information whose ID is 4. So I my data is sorted now to 1. So here what need to see, if data is alphanumeric, okay, that time single quote is not required. If data is string or date, then we need to put single quote, okay. That is the point here. So if I need data for like I need date kind of things, then also I need to put, suppose I need date of birth, where what date of birth DOB equal single quote, I need to put suppose 09 Jan 69. See, I got these two information. So if that is numeric, then no need to put any single quote, that is number. When it is coming to our character, string or date, that time we need to put single quote to sorted our data. So now hope you enjoy that how to sort data and how to put where clause. Share with your friends and spread with everyone those are wanted to learn SQL. And please practice these things fast and keep memorize these things. Bye bye. Take care. Share, subscribe and like the video.